Hi, this is Brian Forrester, and today it's a short video exploring Pisaq in the highlands of Peru. And this is an earlier equivalent of Machu Picchu. Right now we're walking through the military quarter. It's divided up into 4 separate quarters. This is the military aspect, where the major Inca trail would go to. And then this is the agricultural sector, or quarter, as you can see down in the background. In the far background, you can see the houses of the farmers. This film was done in August of 2019. And as we look down into the Sacred Valley of Peru, and then up through the very complex Andene terracing system, in the background, we see the administrative and royal quarter. The spiritual quarter is located on the left-hand side, but up and over the mountain, and is presently closed because they're doing some restoration work. So on the right side, you see you saw the Inca wall stonework, and then on the left, the massive terracing system. These terraces are 10 to 12 feet tall per terrace. So major terraforming was done during Inca times. Again, with the people there, you see the sense of scale. These are regarded as being royal Inca terraces as compared to just the standard terraces made by local farmers. And again, the Inca wall on the right-hand side. And there is the administrative and royal sector in the background. And curiously, a dust devil suddenly appears, possibly a spiritual sign for us. And now we're walking up to the megalithic aspect, because every major Inca location in general has a much older megalithic part. So here you see the megalithic wall above that Inca work. And now we're coming up to the megalithic gate. We're going to see how tight-fitting the stonework is here. What you see there, no mortar, super tight-fitting basalt stone. And then in the background, very fine Inca work. And then above, kind of cruder Inca work. So these are some upcoming events at hiddenincatours.com. In March of 2020, our annual trip to Egypt, looking at megalithic and metaphysical aspects. Right after that, we'll be going to Israel to look at lost ancient high technology and the sacred sites of the Bible. Then late May, early June of 2020 is Contact in the Desert at Indian Wells, California. I'll be giving 2 talks there. And right after that in June, our annual Inti Raymi Inca Celebration of the Sun, including looking at megalithic and Inca sites. In August, our tour of Peru and Bolivia, focusing on the elongated skulls, but also the megalithic and Inca. And in November, our Explore the Mysteries of Peru and Bolivia tour.